Hi guys, if you want to know how to change a horizontal clip or video into a vertical one for YouTube Shorts or TikToks in CapCut PC, you are in the right place. First, open CapCut on your computer. Let's make it a little bit smaller and drag and drop the video you want to change to vertical into the timeline. And now all you need to do is clicking on this ratio button right here, and you can see different ratios and formats you can choose from. I want to choose 9:16 to fit YouTube Shorts and TikToks. And after selecting 9:16, you can see that our video is in the middle, very small, and we have on top of the screen and on the bottom of the screen black bars. So all you need to do is clicking on your video, and then you can resize it to fit the screen. You can do it by clicking on one of the corners, hold it and drag it around, move it and make it bigger or smaller. If you want to be a little bit more precisely, or you cannot see these corners right here, just use the right page, transform and scale. Click on the slider, move it to the right or left to make it bigger or smaller. If you are happy with your result, just click on export, give it a title, choose a save location, also choose the right resolution and FPS, choose for example 60 FPS for more smoothness, and export. Thank you for watching and see you next time.